Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable Microsoft OneNote on startup. Let's begin. Disabling the Microsoft OneNote from starting app automatically on your computer is a simple process that is very useful in certain situations. So the first thing that you need to do is to disable OneNote from the startup settings. I want you to press, if you're using the Windows, to press the Windows button and the R button to open the Run dialog box. If you do that, what will happen is there's going to be a Run dialog box here. All right. And I want you to type in msconfig and press enter. Now you see what will happen is there's going to be a pop-up window, and all I have to do is go to the startup section and locate Microsoft OneNote in the list of startup programs. All right. Click the startup and open the task manager. Uncheck the box next to Microsoft OneNote if you have that from starting automatically. You see that? There's just going to be the Microsoft OneNote, and click the enable if you want to disable that. For example, it's enabled. All right. You would notice that the status will be shown as enabled, and for you to disable that, it's very easy. Click the disable. See that? We changed that to disable, so it's not going to be able to during startups. Now the next option is, another option is to disable the OneNote in settings. Once you are on the desktop application, I want you to hover to the file on the upper left corner, click that, and then click the options here at the bottom. What will happen is I need you to go to the general, which is on the left side panel, and scroll down to, if you can see the option that says start OneNote automatically, and uncheck the box if you have that, and click OK to apply the changes. If you don't have it, you might be using a older version of the Microsoft OneNote, but if you have that option, please uncheck that. Now the last option is going to be going to the help section. If none of the above steps work, click the help section and go to the help. It would be forwarded to this. All right. And you might want to type in your question to see if you get an answer. Press enter. All right. So if you don't have any answers here, the next thing is you just have to go directly to the Microsoft Office support. And from here, choose the product, and that's going to be Microsoft 365. Choose this option, and once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems disabling the Microsoft OneNote during startup, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.